Okay, it's another day. It's Saturday the 26th. Have a new day. Guys, just walk through here like there's nothing. This is so wrong. So in actual fact, I think we normally pass through someone's farm. I think this is someone's land actually. There's a guy there putting an electrical fence. Crocs can be lethal when they start getting old, and mine are old. You've seen how they look. They are my farm shoes when I'm not in gumboots, so you have to be very careful on these rocks. So now here, this is the way we came back the other day. I showed you this other route. Now we are going backwards. I don't like it. It's shorter for sure, but the hill is insane. I don't like climbing that hill. It's an incline. It's straight up and insane. This is 9 a.m. Saturday the 26th. I wanted to give you a look at the water and the stones that we go across on from this side. You see the other side, you guys are familiar now with that bridge. Here, my goodness, one wrong step can have you in the water. Thank goodness now there's no water. Sometimes it floods and comes until the top. You can see where the stones are reaching. It comes all the way till here. Sasa I took too long. You can see like this one is wilting. I think I took too long without putting water. Unfortunately, because the day the avocados were being plucked, it was a very hectic day. I wasn't able to do much. So some have gotten pretty big. I'm going to need to put stakes to hold them. So we count. This is one, just at the entrance. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. And then these 2 are new landscape. So you see, that's the tree that they cut. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up there, you can even come down here and there's someone in there and you don't see. Yeah, and then these 2. phone camera is full, so I can only use, by the way, hold on, let me see. Perfect. The phone camera has actually worked. I thought it was full, so I can show you guys a bit further down. We've never gone down here to the main forest. Ta-da, ta-da. So this is what down here looks like. It's basically just trees and a lot of brush, which there's a guy who's plucking for their goats, our neighbor. Dear God in heaven, there's no fence here. My God. What? There's no fence, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's the neighbor space. There's actually no fence. It's a freeway. We need to do something. So it goes like this all the way down there till the river. Imagine. The river flows down there, but I'm not ready to go till there right now. But yeah, this is what down here looks like. Trees and shrubbery. You can barely make out the chimney way up there. So yeah, this is what down here looks like. Hi guys, I'm at the farm. So I'll just show you how the river looks like. This is the part I love the most in all these trees and all this shrubbery. It's a very serene, calm, nice, peaceful atmosphere. But I am going to farm until somewhere way up there, where the trees will allow, if I can put greens. But as you've seen, I was pretty shocked to discover that they've actually literally cut off the entire fence down here. My God, they just have a freeway in. This is insane. This is so insane. I don't even know. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know what we're going to do about this place. But anyway, it's a lovely sunny day. It's a Saturday towards the end of October. I came to water my bell peppers. We were here the other day. You guys can remember we were here not a long time ago. Oh, something is pressing me. So we were here the other day, like 2 days ago, doing the bell pepper harvest that I was telling you guys was an epic fail. It didn't really go like we expected, but all glory to God for whatever happened. There were a few mishaps and we figured out what we did wrong, so we are wiser now for the next time. But yeah, this is really great. It's been a very long time since I was able to come way down here, so I love it. I love all the clearing that's been done. You can see it looks very forest-like. Picked me tiny avocado that had fallen on my way down. Yeah, and that's it. So I'm leaving. I'm having some back pain, so I'm not going to be here for long. Today I'm not coming to farm despite the nice weather. But my plan is that I'm going to generally just add the bell peppers. The bell pepper is what I'm going to add. Hang on. I want to take a picture for Kim of this fence. Okay, so the footage now is dark. The phone camera is full. I'm surprised it even took as many as it did. This is so awesome. I love it. Wow. Anyway, so yeah, so there's really no reason why I cannot farm on all this space. Till here, you know, I can farm. This is all land. All this is land that can be used. Yeah, the bottom part, the trees, is the only thing that way down there, maybe we just clear the area and it stays like that. But otherwise, this is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. I mean, guys, wow. What? This is so nice. We need to do something. So if I can put a banana stump here where there's ash, the ash gives a different type of fertility. I thought it had gone off. And maybe 2 here, another 2 there. Then it will be perfect because the bananas will grow. I know there will be some excitement for the thieves, but we can figure out what to do there. we can figure out what to do there. I've put a stick here so that I can come and uproot this thing and transplant it. This is a passion fruit. You see it? This is a passion fruit. I'm going to move it. Today I didn't come with any tools because I didn't want to tempt myself to do anything that pertains to farming. I love this space. And now that God has opened my eyes and allowed me to see prospects, possibility, I'm seeing a lot of, what can be done around here. I'm seeing a whole lot of prospects. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to make sure I do something with all this prospect. Yeah. I'm going to make sure I do something with all of this prospectiveness. I'm not going to let it go to waste in this manner. And there's a worker there. Anyway, so this is how it looks. This is how this place is looking as at now. And I can't say it's bad. The clearing was nice. A lot of clearing was done. It's starting to feel very comfortable. Unlike the way I was uneasy at one point, now I'm feeling very comfortable here. It's very soon. I think this is God's plan. Soon, I will be able to, I'll be able to come here easily. You see, these guys dig until here. You see, they farm. These guys dig until here. Paka huko, they don't waste any farmland. And us guys are here playing. We're playing. Actually, by now, a day like today, I would have found quite a lot of these fruits down here, but they are not falling. I love this. So we've cleaned. Am I blocking it? You can see like this one. They fall and rot, pretty big ones. They fall and rot, quite big ones. Yeah, but this is awesome. I think I like what I'm seeing. There's not really much here. And the whole idea was for them to be less, because you see the these people, they don't what? These guys don't. So until here I can't do anything. But from that tree going downwards, that space yote I can farm on it. Yeah, from around my trees here, I'm at liberty to farm. I can lima if I want. Not that I've even finished lima in kule juu. But yeah, it feels so nice. It's just a nice, it's a nice feeling, really. So I'm heading home. This is it. I've done what I was coming to do today. Yeah, I want to leave. I want to leave. The fruits are very few now here compared, so I think I can say it's a good thing. It's a good thing that they're not really falling. So I'll catch you guys the next time I'm here. Thanks for watching. So they're fixing the road. As you can see, I'm done. It's 10. I was there for about an hour. I'm done. I showed you guys the trees. It's so pretty down there. And now I'm heading home. Hey, my people. This sun is not playing. So I'm heading back. I'm done at the farm. I've watered, looked around, and now I'm going back to listen to my old bones. The back is exhausted, and I want to take it easy today. what I want to do on Wednesday, they'll have a lot of water. I'll use the pipe and water even a few of the maize and potatoes. And there's a day when they've prior used a lot of water, so I go and use the pipe and do a lot of watering. So that will be on Wednesday. Now between Monday is market day around here. There's Monday and Thursday. Those are the two market days in this area of ours. So what am I going to do? I'll go on Wednesday. Now on Monday, God willing, I might go and buy bell pepper seeds to add to the ones I have, because I'm not understanding this rain. I'm passing a house with a lot of noise. I don't understand this weather. It's not understandable, because it's like it doesn't want to rain. It's not raining. I don't know. So I will water. At least the bell peppers are responding pretty fast. The bell pepper and the potatoes. Okay, so I'll tell you this. That route is so much shorter. It's even shocking. Gosh, I've been giving myself triple work going route, but it's so. Evidently, I'm not those type of people who can walk and record without a gimbal. It dances so much, no matter how much I think I'm holding it firmly. It's still all over the place. I usually see the footage when I'm editing, and I really wonder whether to put it up, and I'm like, I'll still try, because after all, I've recorded and my point is still coming across, I hope. What do you guys think? You can tell me if I should just stop recording, if